Hello, ma'am. So, this is the report of Group 1. So, our topic is all about the theories versus practice in teaching. Theories and teaching. This is trusted to strengthen a student's understanding by using a solid framework of content with learning process based on reading and writing. Educators are better able to monitor students' accuracy and precision in recalling the facts and details as required in their final assessments. Improving their ability to form and express an argument or opinion develops their logic, reasoning, and analytical skills in the process. So we have the 5 theories and teaching. So the first one is behaviorism. So the founder of behaviorism is John B. Watson. So according to him, behaviorism, also known as behavioral psychology, this is actually of learning based upon the idea that all behaviors are acquired through conditioning. Behaviorists believe that our responses to environmental stimuli shapes our behaviors. As simply psychology puts it, behaviorism is only concerned with observable stimulus response behaviors as they can be studied in a systematic and observable manner. The second one is the cognitivism. So the founder of cognitivism is Jean Piaget. His research and writing focused instead on mental processes that occurred internally. He viewed human subjects as beings that not only react to the things around them but also process and store information related to those things. So, cognitivism learning relies on both external factors like information or data and the internal thought process. The third one is constructivism. So, the founder of constructivism is Jean Piaget. His theory focused on how people think and learn from their experiences through interactions with the environment around them. The learner builds upon his or her previous experience and understanding to construct a new understanding. And the third one is humanism. So, the father of humanism is Abraham Maslow. For him, humanism focuses on how human beings free to act and control their own destinies. It centers on human values, interests, capacities, needs, worth, and dignity. So, a learner-centric approach in which the potential is the focus rather than the method or materials. And the last one, we have the connectivism. So, the father of connectivism theory is George Siemens. So, connectivism emphasizes the importance of learner-centered learning and provides a way to think about the role of technology in supporting learner-centered approaches. Connectivism. Informed by digital age, connectivism departs from constructivism by identifying and remediating gaps in knowledge.
Thank you, Miss Crystalline. So, now that we have enough knowledge about our first topic, a theory, now let us proceed in our next topic, which is a teaching practice. And by the way, I am Lisa Soriano, the second reporter. So, what is teaching practice? So, teaching practice is an approach that very essential for our learning in early childhood setting. So, because it promotes social, emotional, behavior, and language development, and it provides constructive feedback and encouraging continued effort. Included are also for schedule and routine are followed. So next is education manager planning calendar. So what is the purpose of this calendar? So this calendar is designed to guide us through the major duties related with education service, such as progress in teaching and learning activities across your program. Next, schedules and routines. So why it is important? So here are the list. So learn the distinction between timetables and routines, as well as they are necessary. Learn how to collaborate with families on schedule and routines, and then reinstate them when program resume. In types of teaching method, a teacher can employ a variety of approaches in the classroom. Many of them serve similar purposes. An educator can use a combination of them to best meet the needs of their student. So, bilang isang educator, hindi masama na gamitin ang iba't ibang approaches or method of teaching para maging mas maayos yung process of learning. Dahil we all know na the only purpose of this method is to best meet the needs of our students or audiences. So these are the examples. And yes, it is possible na through game ay matututo ang isang student. because in this activity is mahahayaan ng isang teacher na matuto ang isang student in their own way, and magkakaroon sila ng isang realization about sa topic na tinatakil nila. And of course, ang teacher kailangan mag-provide ng isang game na related doon sa topic na tinatakil nila. Sa expeditionary learning is ito yung common na palagi natin na-experience, like classroom projects, case studies, or lab experiments. So, what are the benefits of using teaching method, rather? So, of course, magiging madali yung trabaho ng isang teacher dahil nasa unique way ng pagtuturo. Or on the other hand, mas magiging madali yung process of learning between the teacher and the student.
So, for the conclusion, ultimately, most educators recognize that the best teaching strategy combines theory and practice, so students gain a well-rounded grasp of their learning that doesn't become repetitive. That's all. Thank you.